Hey Jacob, I said I was gonna shoot you a video showing you a few tips and tricks to get some more traffic to your business. And one of the things I want to point out is that a lot of people don't realize that in today's day and age, how a strong internet presence is extremely important to getting more traffic to your business. Everybody is searching for everything through the internet these days, and that's how businesses are found. And a lot of times, the hesitation that people have to hiring someone is they don't know who the experts are. So I feel like giving this free plan of attack, these 3 tips and tricks, has really resulted in a lot of business owners coming back to me and saying, hey Holden, I can see you got some value. I need your help. So if by the end of this video you want to take these 3 things and implement them yourself, that's totally fine. They're free. They're for you. If you think that I've got some value and you want to chat, shoot me a message and we can get down to it. So, all right, the first thing I want to talk to you about is content. And in Google, content is king. This is your website right here. This thing looks really nice, man. I like how you got it laid out. I can take a look on this tool right here called SEO Quake, and this pulls off some of the metrics from your page. It shows me that you've got 430 words of content on your home page. Now, to be totally optimized, Google really likes about 1,500 words of content, and you always want to be better than your competition, so you want to have more words than them. I can take a look at your top competition out here in Tennessee, and this guy, IBP, he's got 1,049 words of content. And he is still falling short of that nice 1,500 words that I said Google really likes to be optimized. Now, as far as content goes, the other thing that you really want to look at is keywords. And keywords are basically what people are searching for to find you, like spray foam insulation or spray foam near me. Open sell, close sell. These are the things that people are looking for to find your business. And if those words are not on your webpage and that content, Google's not going to match that with your webpage. They're going to match with whichever webpage is closest, and that's going to be some of the other ones, because they got these keywords on here. I can actually take a look and see what keywords you have on here and how many times you got them through the same tool. You got spray foam, cell spray. Dixon, Tennessee, that's where you're from. Energy Solutions, Clarksville. These are things that people are searching for, and you got them on your page. So good job with that. Insulation contractor. You might just want to boost these numbers of how many times you got these keywords on your page a little more, and see what this guy's got over here. Yeah, he's got these things like 61 times, 27 times, 16, 13, 10. So he's just got a little more content and these keywords up here a little bit more. The next thing I want to talk to you about is this thing called the Map Pack. And let's see if we can pull this up here. Map Pack is the first thing that you see when you come up here after the ads. And this is how you get found locally. So when people search for things like near me or insulation near me, this is what pops up, and these are how you get found in your local area. So to get up into this three map pack here, you want to basically have your name, address, and phone number listed as many times as you can in different directories. And by directories, I mean things like Yellow Pages or Yelp or Facebook. And you want to make sure that you have these things listed way more times than your competitors. If they got 50, you want 150. You just want to blow them out of the water so that you get listed up higher than these guys. And I can show you right here, these guys don't even have websites, so they're not doing too hot. And you can easily outrank these guys and get up in the map pack. No reviews. Yeah, it'd be real easy for you to blow those guys out of the water. Next thing I want to talk about is how Google itself is kind of like a popularity contest. So to get up into these organic rankings right here, these things that pop up first, Foamworks, all this stuff right here, to get up at the top, because those are the things that people search at. They're not going to the second or third pages of Google looking for insulation contractors. They're looking at the first ones up here. And to get there, you need these things called backlinks. And backlinks are basically, like I said, votes for a popularity contest from different web pages all around the web pointing back at your website. So if you have a website for a supplier of like a insulation supplier that's really well known and renowned, and they have a link from their webpage pointing back to your webpage, that's a really strong vote, and Google recognizes that. You know, there's not all backlinks are created equal. You wouldn't want a auto shop linking back to your webpage because that's not relevant to spray foam insulation. You know, you want things that are relevant and from websites that are authoritative and like have a lot of power. And Google recognizes that and says that your website is relevant because all these people are saying that you're relevant. But like I said, these are just three tips that you can use to kind of increase your traffic. And the first one, if you remember, was content and keywords, and you want to get the keywords that people are searching for and add them in a little more times than your competitor. And then the next thing is going to be the map pack, getting your name, address, and phone number listed in as many directories as possible. And after that, you know, you want those votes, those backlinks to get more power and recognition to your website so that Google sees that there's lots of links going to your website and your website's super relevant. So, like I said, you can take these three tips and utilize them yourself, man, and really get your website going and get some more traffic going to it. Or if you find that I've got some value, shoot me a message back and we can chat. The only thing that I ask is that you let me know what you think of this video. But I appreciate you listening, and thanks a lot. Have a good one.